G'day guys and girls. Got another product review coming up here. So this one is from Process West under the brand name Terratuff. This is their catch can kit, which comes in a universal form and model form as well. So pretty much all your diesel vehicles. I do believe he's got a pretty good covering for them. Don't quote me, I know there is quite a fair bit, and we are adding them to our online store as we speak. So Australian made product. Kevin is actually Australian made. The whole Process West is all made in house, and there's not a lot of China involved in it anyway. So, but one good thing is, yeah, definitely it is Australian made, and it's made from Australian jobs, which is what we all like. So in the box we've got our Terratuff stickers. A bit of a close up there. So nice quality stickers. I'm not a bit of a sticker fan personally. I've got boxes full of them and I've accumulated many over the years, and yeah, I don't really like stickers anymore, but anyway. Detailed instructions, which are all colour. Pretty easy to install, not too hard on this particular model. This is to suit the 79 series LandCruiser, but otherwise, yeah, mostly the same sort of thing. So one good thing that I do like is these molded hoses. This makes our life so much easier as the installer. A lot of people would know, like when you get a long bit of hose, which generally comes with the universal kits, they kink. You try to route them around the intercooler and all the other places, and you just can't get them right. And we've had so many cars come here where the hoses are kinked and they're blowing smoke. It's just because the hoses just don't work. So when a company like this goes and gets them molded, they're designed to route around things and fit nice and neat, and makes it compact as well, which is good. So really good design. In the bag we've got some hose lamps, and then we've got here, which is just the aluminium fittings. So one good thing is it's got a pressure relief or an overflow or something along those lines. So pretty much, you know, in the event of say if it was to completely fill up or something was to happen, or decompressurization or something like that, so basically it would pop this relief, pull the valve off the seat and allow everything out. So really good design. This stops things from blowing up basically. So it's not something that's on a lot of catch cans out there, but the guys have incorporated that, which is good. And then it comes with your aluminium Barb Fittings, so all O-ring sealed, so it doesn't require any form of goop. You just screw these suckers in, a little bit of rubber grease on your O-rings, and they'll seal for life. My favourite part is the bracket, if I can get it out. So, steel bracket, 3mm steel. It's got universal mounting locations, which allows you to clock the catch can into the position that you would best prefer. Even though it has molded hoses and it will only go one way, you do get that little bit of clocking, which, you know, can mean the difference between a really nice installation or just a okay installation, I guess you'll call it. So nice design there. O-ring in the top, so don't need to do this up tight, just nip it up by hand. And then you've got your catch can, all billet aluminium. There is a bottom cap on here, which I really don't know what this is all about, because if you get in here, you can actually see the cap at the bottom. So I'm not sure if just when they start with this, it starts as a bit of tube and this is their way of capping it off. It could be just a manufacturing design, but I don't think it serves a purpose. Fully reusable air filter, or oil filter, or what do you want to call it. O-ring seal on the top, and then pretty much, as you can see, it goes in here and a bunch of fittings go in and everything else. It's pretty much designed to separate the oil from the air, and then it goes back into the factory system. So it's a sealed system, so you don't have to worry about any issues with doing river crossings and stuff like that. This is basically a universal can with their bracketry to suit the 79 series. So if you do have a car that they don't list this for, you could buy this in universal form and retrofit it to the car of your liking. Wouldn't be hard to do at all, to be honest with you. And the way they do the bracketry on the top, well, it's really simple to work with. So that's the Process West Terratuff catch can kit, yeah, which suits the mostly all your diesel vehicles, and it could be adapted onto any petrol engine as well. It's the catch can's a catch can. So, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. That's our review for today, and don't forget to subscribe, follow us, check out our social networks like Instagram, Facebook, and so on. We are no longer doing Snapchat. We have basically given that the flick. It's just too hard to manage 3 things at once, so it's just easier for me to run Facebook and Instagram. But once again, thanks for watching. We appreciate your subscription and appreciate all the views that you give us. So thank you and goodbye for now.